fate rarely calls upon us at the moment of our choosing. Our legacy spans many generations. I am Optimus Prime. I've returned, more powerful than ever.
Introducing the world's first auto-converting, interactive, voice-enabled, programmable Autobot hero, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
The Transformers toy that defined a generation comes to life by the command of your voice or mobile device. Standing an amazing 19 inches tall, 5,000 components finished with premium materials make this G1 Optimus Prime impressively authentic.
Decepticons detected!
60 microchips power the 27 high-performance servo motor joints, empowering Optimus Prime to fully auto-convert and operate in both robot and vehicle mode.
Let's go!
Control your Optimus Prime with an extensive library of voice commands, like attack,
Fire now!
or use the mobile app. Every collector will enjoy the preloaded actions, with more to come via download, that unlock new features and the ability to create your own sequences with graphical programming within the app. Built by ROBOSEN and licensed by Hasbro, this limited edition Optimus Prime delivers endless ability to save the planet interactively.
Till all are one.